Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Poco C3 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Shadow Galaxy. Firstly, open Play Store and type Shadow Galaxy. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it, tap Settings and customize your wallpaper however you want. When you're done, go back, tap Open, set wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!